Experiencing a no-speed display error in your Tesla Model S? This video breaks down the common causes, ranging from sensor failures and MCU glitches to wiring problems. We'll focus primarily on Model S vehicles from 2012 to 2020, where these issues are most prevalent. We'll cover both software and hardware-related causes that can cause a Tesla Model S speedometer to stop working. Ignoring this issue can lead to inaccurate odometer readings and potential safety hazards during braking. To diagnose the Tesla Model S speedometer problem, first determine if it's caused by a faulty wheel speed sensor or an MCU software bug. Symptoms of a sensor problem include intermittent failures, particularly after exposure to rain or in vehicles with over 100,000 miles. MCU issues often present as a complete no-speed display error on the instrument cluster. Tesla's service menu, or external scanners, such as Autel or Launch Tools, can help pinpoint the exact cause of the problem. A diagnostic scan using Tesla's proprietary tools will help determine whether the issue stems from the wheel speed sensor or the MCU. If software updates don't solve the problem, hardware repair might be necessary. Corroded or failed wheel speed sensors are a common culprit, especially in pre-2018 models. Replacing these sensors involves removing the wheel and accessing the ABS module. The cost typically ranges from $200 to $500 per wheel, plus labor. Consider professional assistance if you're not comfortable with automotive repairs. Check the CAN bus connections to ensure data flow. Simple fixes, like cleaning corroded connections or applying dielectric grease to the ABS harness, can be done DIY. However, be careful with the type of grease you use. However, sensor replacements or MCU repairs are more complex and may require specialized tools and expertise. Weigh the cost savings against the risk of damaging your vehicle or voiding the warranty. DIY sensor swaps are becoming more popular due to rising service costs. While a malfunctioning speedometer doesn't prevent you from driving, it affects cruise control and speed-based alerts. Monitor your speed using GPS apps and be aware of your surroundings. Stay informed about potential recalls and software updates from Tesla. Promptly address speedometer issues to maintain safety and ensure accurate odometer readings. Always check the Tesla forums for community solutions.